Do you want to know how to build these type of UI or text for your scenes? These are normally planes with textures or 3D assets that we import into Badvisor. But to get this view, so when we rotate the camera, it will automatically follow or face the camera, you need then to set a couple of things. First, if this is for a UI, you need to import it into your scene. Then you need to place it in the correct location and then hold Ctrl and Shift to open the mesh node, and under Advanced, you will see the option Billboard. Here, you can select a direction by choosing one of the axes, and if you click on All, then the model or texture can now face the camera all the time. And this is how we create our UI easily with Badvisor. Now, you can connect other actions or effects. Here are more examples where we used Billboards for the UI. Until next time.